I think that another important thing to know in 3ds Max is how to use Hdri. So let's press Alt W. I'm going to create a teapot. Perfect. Let's apply a turbo smooth for 2 iteration. Press J for those white borders, and then let's press T to go in top view. Let's go to camera. I'm going to select vray or standard. Let's go for physical for now, and something like that. Let's go to modifier and press C to enter in camera. Press F3. Let's move it up, and then let's go for 60. Press Shift F, and let's go further. Let's orbit a little bit, and I think that's fine for now. Press F10, or in my case I need to go to rendering and render setup, because I'm going to shut my recording if I press F10. And then we can keep the basics. Let's go for, doesn't matter, let's keep all of this for default for now. And then I'm going to go to light, or you can go in the left, vray plane, vray dome, vray sphere. You can use directly the vray dome, or you can go for vray and create a plane, then go to modifier and change it for dome. So it's the same thing. You can go and check if you can go invisible, and then you can go and check that it's sphericals full. Now let's press M. I usually go for a basic material diffuse, and let's go to vray and vray Hdri, and let's go back and let's drag this one in the next material. For this one you can go for copy, and then let's go and locate my Hdri. The best website for free Hdri is hdriheaven.com. You have beautiful Hdri and textures. You can support them by being a patron. You can go to Hdri and you choose from various beautiful Hdri. They also put it to nature, urbanite. That's so awesome and easy for us to use. So I went to outdoor and I choose this one, Split Sunrise. And also you can choose the size you want. I took it for 4K, and then you can see what some user render with this Hdri. So I really like this ball. Okay, now I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to apply spherical. I'm going to select this dome and just drag this one to texture, and now let's press instance. So everything we're going to change here, it will apply directly. So right click, vray frame buffer. I want to go back to render setup because I want to increase the size. So let's go for 2K, depending on your computer. Okay, and now I'm going to select one default material applied to this teacup, and let's go and add some reflection, something like this. Let's close this one, and now I'm going to start interaction. Let's go with a frame buffer and start interactive rendering. So this is real-time rendering. Let's go to light And let's decrease this one. Let's see, 1. It's still too strong. Let's go for 0.5. And I guess we are getting closer. Press M. And now we can I also use inverse gamma to make them hard shadow, like 0.8, so you can see the shadow are stronger. Let's go back a bit. We can make it more reflexive. Let's see. Okay, and now we can move this Hdri horizontal rotation. So now we have the sun in the front, so let's go back. Let's go for minus. So we have it like contre-jour light. And also we can move it up. Oh, actually this is up or down. So basically this is the way I am adjusting my HDRI. So let's go make it even more reflexive, so we can start seeing the reflection in this teacup. If you want to see your HDRI in rendering, we can press 8 and then we can drag it to environment map, press OK, and we will have instance rendering. It will take more than usual, but we can see approximately where the sun is. So this is the way that I'm setting up my HDRI usually. Obviously there are other methods, but this is the fast for me. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Take care.